In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how much storage on OneDrive. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft's OneDrive site for personal cloud storage. You can search for OneDrive or use the official Microsoft link. Once the page loads, look for the prominent area that leads you to your account. It's typically highlighted near the top of the page. Click that and then click Sign In to continue. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access your OneDrive. After you're in, you'll land on the web interface where your files live. To make sure you're on a familiar page, click Recent in the left sidebar or top navigation. This simply brings up your latest files and confirms you're in the correct place before checking storage. Now look to the upper right corner for the settings gear icon. Click the gear to open the settings panel. In this panel, you should see a storage indicator that looks something like 2.4 GB used of 5 GB. The exact numbers will vary based on your plan, but the format is the same. Click that storage readout to open more details. Next, choose Manage. This takes you to the Manage Storage view, where OneDrive provides a clear summary of your total space, the amount used, and what remains. On this page, find the section labeled Total Used and click it. This expands into a breakdown of what's consuming your storage, helping you understand where your space is going. A few helpful notes as you review this page: if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, your total storage may be larger than the free 5 GB, and that will be reflected here. The numbers can take a moment to update if you've just uploaded or deleted files, so give it a little time or refresh if something seems out of date. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use both a personal account and a work or school account, as storage is tracked separately for each. From this view, you can get a precise picture of your usage and identify the categories taking up the most space. It's a quick way to stay on top of your capacity and avoid running out of room unexpectedly. And that's all there is to it. You navigated to OneDrive, signed in, opened the settings panel, selected the storage indicator, chose Manage, and then viewed total used for a detailed breakdown. Now you know exactly where to check how much storage you're using on OneDrive anytime you need.